Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now in this market? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Bonnie Lilac with the Lilac Real Estate team with eXp Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. We've sold hundreds of homes, so we know what we're talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a little bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, or trees, new door and trim paint, or possibly even a whole new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about you getting top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning, like the baseboards, scuff marks, cleaned up the landscape, changed out all the old light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint does not qualify selling for top dollar. At least not in this shifted market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they about 10 years old that have been cleaned like 15 times, and once it rains and people walk all over them a few times, well, the truth comes out. This isn't going to get top dollar either. Do you have an updated kitchen and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1/2 acre lot that is up the street? You see, all of this really matters. Okay, this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my gosh, I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it's absolutely true. We love our grand dogs. In fact, they come to visit us all the time. And let's talk about those kids and grandkids in my case. Well, let's just say, while we love them dearly, they sure can have some stinky feet, not to mention all that stinky sports equipment and clothes. If I were to list my home right now, I'd have to Febreze like crazy. You see, our grandpups have messed up and kind of peed on our throw rugs, and the kids have left their stinky clothes and of course their sports equipment and shoes everywhere. And they stunk like nobody's business. So if I got ready to sell, I would have to make some changes. And I'd even have to pass the smell test too. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you are used to, but if someone else came over, it would smell like maybe a fish fry, or better yet, bacon? And while I love the smell of bacon, that's a no-go when trying to sell your home. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that I have the best home on the block. I mean, listen, I know David and I spent weeks putting in the dark, hand-scraped vinyl flooring, but is this measuring up to the competition and what's on the market right now? Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in grandma's house right now? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I promise I'm just trying to help. When you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor showering? Or is there a pasture, fields, or waterfall? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell over who gets to pick what to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view and a little more space. So I challenge you, grab an honest friend and y'all take the quiz to see if you're ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes like I would. Yes, most of us have to make a few changes. Oh my gosh, when we were getting ready to sell our old house, we had a honey-do list for days. You really want to go deep? Give me a call today and ask me about the home selling score. I'm Bonnie Lilac with the Lilac Real Estate team and eXp Realty. Remember, we love bringing houses and people together.